Hello guys, I am here with my new project whose name is number plate detection, and there are many image processing tools available for this number plate detection, but here we are using MATLAB image processing to get the vehicle license plate number into the text format. I have created 3.m files as template creation, letter detection and plate detection. My folder name is, as you can see here, alpha number plate images main.m new templates.mat plate underscore detection.m template underscore creation.m, and here it goes by explaining template underscore creation.m. So we have created images of .jpg format from A to Z, which is alphabets, as you can see here, and from 0 to 9, which are natural numbers. Then we create matrix for alphabets as well as numbers, and we save it in variable new templates by using command save file name comma variables. And then I have created letter underscore detection. I can explain it by explaining you first that here in the code we have created a function named letter which gives us the alphanumeric output of the input image from class alpha. Here I have used alpha, and I have created alpha because here I have put all the images from A to Z and 0 to 9, which are here. You can see it. It's like this. These all pictures are in .jpg format. Keep this in mind. And then after that we have resized the input image so it can be compared with the templates image by using the command imresize bracket open file name comma size bracket close. Then for loop is used to correlate the input image with every image in template to get the best match, as you can see it here. We have used for loops to get the best match, and then a matrix REC is created to record the value correlation for each alpha numeric template with the characters template from the input image. The find command is used to find the index which correspond to the highest matched character. Then according to that index corresponding is printed using if else statement. Now after completing with this, open a new editor window to start the number plate detection by creating plate detection, which I have already created here. So plate detection, in plate detection I have used many commands which I have to explain why I have used it, like im show, im read, RGB to gray, im binary size, edge, region props, numeral, im crop, beware open. Im read is used to open the image into the MATLAB from the target folder. RGB to gray is used to convert the RGB to gray format. im binary size. This command is used to binarize 2D grayscale image, or simply we can say it converts the image into black and white format. Edge. This command is used to detect the edges in the image by using various methods like robots, Sobel, pivot and many more. Region props. This command is used to measure prop of image region. Numeral. This command is used to calculate the number of array elements. Im crop. This command is used to crop the image to the entered size. Beware open. This command is used to remove small objects from binary image. By using the following commands as follows, we are calling the input and converting it into the grayscale. Then grayscale is converted into binary image, and the edge of the binary images is detected by the pivot method. Then iprops is used for loop. It is used to process that cropped license plate image to display the detected number in the image and as well as text format. So Here I'm going to show how my code works. Next I have created main.m file. Uh, in main.m file I have submerged all the following codes, which is template underscore creation, letter underscore detection, and plate underscore detection. So I have to run, and keep this in mind. I am using MATLAB online software, which is a bit slow. It runs a bit slow. As I'm using mobile network, and you might be having offline software, which is MATLAB. I am using the latest software 2020 edition. As you can see it here, you might be having 2014 edition or 2016 edition. It is also useful. You can have your code there also. So here I am running my code. So here you can see it has detected MH12DE14 hash hash, which was already there in the image, which I wanted to detect the number of image 2. It was, and image 2 was this. No, not this. This image 12DE14 hash hash. As you can see it here, it has detected the number and alphabets also. So like this my code works. Thank you guys.